Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Mearsun bone conduction hearing and Bluetooth comfortable AI adaptive sound DIY customizable fitting, waterproof and dual function for hearing and music. And this one is a world first bone conduction earphone. In this video we will see which types of product I am receiving. Before doing unboxing where I'm purchasing this product, we will see this is the official website. I'm purchasing this product from this website. 100 Mearsun bone conduction hearing and Bluetooth compatibility, and the product price is a $499. Currently 50% off. I already added this product link in video description. Especially this one is a bone conduction technology, so no need to add entire headphone in your ear. Adaptive noise cancellation available, self-fitting device, app fitting, open ear, always your ear is open, magnetic charging, Bluetooth headphone, 14 hours battery life of this product, and this one is 100% waterproof. Now we'll do unboxing. This is the product, premium quality packaging we are receiving. The quality of box, it's really nice. We receive here inside the box one good quality of product, the magic booklet, thank you for using us. Here the Mearsun, this one is a standard English and this one is the Mandarin. This is the English, and here is the controller of this bone conduction microphone. So here we receive 3 batteries as well. By default, first time I see the company are providing the battery. Here the on off, left and right, control the noise, control the volume as well. Now I just simply open this box. Let's see. Oh, so this is our product. Inside the box we receive the USB, so magnetic charging, and this is our product. Product is really nice and amazing quality. So look at this, and I just simply connect here and my charger. When here red light is showing, it means you need to charge first of all. After complete the 100%, the light is converting as a red to green. So look at this here. Here the Bluetooth connection is showing. This is the green light, it means the charging is 100% done. I will show you how to connect this headphone to my iPhone as well as how to configure this one. First of all, I will introduce this device. This device named the Authenticator Plus AA Battery 3. So inside this is the authenticator, and here the 3 batteries. Here the turning on off button is showing. We just simply turn it on, this one. So here the Bluetooth logo is coming. Afterwards, here the some of the volume switch, magnetic and multifunctional key and bone conductor. So here the volume key button, increase the volume, decrease the volume, as well as this one is a switch. Using pressing this one, you can turn it on your earphone. You just simply press, green light is showing, it means turn it on, this one. Now it's this is the switch, multifunctional. Now we can open here mobile phone. So look at this here, within a second the Bluetooth name is showing, Mearsun, the brand name, and afterwards it's connected. This is a self adaptive, so I just simply open here my personal video, so I'm not receiving any kind of copyright. So look at this, the such kind of voice you are receiving. That one is really nice. Look at this here, automatically volume system is activated here. This is the Mandarin language coming here. You can increase the volume or decrease the volume as well. And one of the important point come here, separately right and left is showing here. Now I will show you how exactly look like after wearing this earphone. Now I am wearing this product, it's very easy. And one of the important point come here, this earphone is not inserting in your ear. So this is the bone conduction. Here the volume is coming and you can listen entire thing. Even this is the adaptive noise cancellation. Upcoming days I will make a review video after using 1 or 2 weeks, which types of experience I am receiving. So here the basic structure look like this. So backside you can adjust accordingly, but this is the best position and this is the ear as well. So yeah, you receive the quality noise as well. So this is the simple unboxing, installation, and how to use and which types of voice we are receiving. If you have any question related on this brand, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.